on week 8, day 2, writing linear equations from a table. And really what I want to show you is how to use the Desmos calculator again. Remember, here's a quick link here at the bottom. If you open that up, it'll take you to a bunch of things that are helpful. And there's that online Desmos. Or you can just type in desmos.com. We're going to click the arrow to bring up the calculator. So on this one, to find slope, we need to use a calculator. So the first one on number 1 was 8 minus 12. That's going to give us that -4. And then here's the one I really want you to pay attention to. -2 minus a -1. Make sure you have all of those signs in there. Remember, Desmos doesn't have a negative and a subtraction sign. It uses the same one. And you should get that -1. The other calculations were 35 minus 30. Hopefully we know that one. And then this is from number 2. And then again with the -2 minus the -1 and hitting the return. Other things are when you got, say on number 1, you got -4 over -1. So let's do -4 divided by -1. Hit return, and it's going to tell you that you have, oops, I think I messed up on that. -4 divided by -1. And that's going to give you a +4. See how I messed up? I was thinking that I was putting the negative, but I didn't. So, but I realized it because I looked over here and it just had that negative. Do you see the double negative here? 2 negatives turn into a positive. So again, please use the Desmos app or graphing calculator when using integers, because if you're using your cell phone, lots of times we mess up with the negative signs. All right, let's go back here. And I'm going to insert my answer. So number 1 was 4, 0, 16. Oops. And our equation was y equals 4x plus 16. Number 2, our slope was -5. Y-intercept was 0, 25. And then the equation was y equals -5x plus 25. I'm going to go ahead and insert pictures of the work because it shows you how to find the slope, and that might be helpful. So I've already uploaded them into my drive. That's not it. Somebody sent me some work, so it's on there. Let's see. Looks like it might be this one. Nope. Goodness. Well, insert image from drive. Let's do it this way. Instead of doing recent, it's because people are turning in work. Oh, here it is. There we go. So if you can't find the picture, I could have gone where it said drive and go to the folder I was finding it in. People are turning in assignments, so it's putting pictures in there. All right. And again, if you need to see these, you can just move this around if you need to see the tables later. Okay. You only have one table to do. So we did 2 examples, but you only have one. I provided the slope-intercept formula or form equation, Lord, and the slope formula here. Okay, so it's a pretty quick one. Let us know if you need any help. Bye.